In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram filter not working. So in order for you to see if the filters are not working, you just have to tap on this plus button right here and then go to start. Let's say you want to take a picture right here. You just have to angle it. And then the filters are right here. You can just scroll to the left and right in order to find the filter that you want to use. However, if the filter is not working, maybe your internet connection is not as strong as you think it is. So in order for you to restart that, or in order for you to fix this kind of situation, all you have to do is go to your control center. You can just tap on airplane mode right here. So that will automatically turn off your Wi-Fi and your cellular data in order for them to restart its course of program. So you just have to turn that airplane mode off again. And now your Wi-Fi and your cellular data has been restored. However, if that still doesn't work, you just have to go to your settings yourself. You just have to scroll down and tap on apps. Click on apps again. And then you just have to search for Instagram. Now that you're on Instagram, you just have to click on storage and then click on clear cache. What this does is that it enables Instagram to restart its course of program. It will restart Instagram's algorithm all in all. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!